Hello everyone. As you can see, today we are going to take up revision of chapter 9, that is some application of trigonometry. You love this chapter because you don't have to remember any formulae particularly for this chapter, and the formulae used here are of chapter 8 only. In this chapter, all you need to do is just to draw a right angle triangle, and then you need to take the ratio of two sides, and you know one side should be that side which is given in the question and other side which you want to calculate. So here in this chapter you need to just do two steps. One, you always need to make a right angle triangle. Secondly, you have to frame theta, or I can say you have to locate your angle of elevation or depression over here, and then you have to take ratio of any of the two sides. Any of the two sides here means one which is known to you and other which you want to calculate. After that you need to just write down whatever it is. If it is p by b, then it is tan theta. If it is p by h, then it is sin theta, and so on. So for this chapter, all you need to do is to follow these 2 points, and after that you need to apply the specific angle values. That means your trigonometric table for specific angles you need to put. Now children, sometimes you get a question like this in which you have some height of a thing or an object given to you, and you need to find out the height of a tower or a pole which is bigger than this. Then you need to first draw over here a horizontal line, and then you can say that this CE will be equal to BD, because you are just drawing parallel. This is, let's suppose, your ground, then you are just drawing parallel line ED which is equal to BC also. So if you are getting angle of depression over here, that means the depression are to be just made on the ground only, but this is due to the fact that this line and this line is parallel and this acts as your transversal line. That's why we always write the angle of depression so made here, we write it over here. So this is how the angle of depression comes down. We can get one more case over here. Let's suppose these are the two stones lying on the ground and the angle of elevations are given to you. Then you will be here getting two triangles. Here also you are getting two right angle triangles. So you will be working on both the right angle triangles. That means ABC is a right angle. First you will be calculating ABC. You will be taking ratio of two sides in which one is given, in which one will be given to you and other will be asked. Then you will be of course taking ADC also. So you will be working in both the triangles. Here also you are getting two right angles triangle over here. So ABC, you will be finding the ratio of two sides in triangle ABC also, and in ABD2. Here if you have, say, this is your tree, or I can say these are the points on either side of the road side, then again you have here two right angle triangles. So you will be applying this second step in both the triangles, and by just comparing or putting one's value in the other, you will be calculating the required thing in the question. So this is what you need to do in this complete chapter, and this is simply based on trigonometric table for some specific angles which has some specific values. So this is a complete treat to you in the board paper. So just learn these two steps to do and just get the 5-marker question absolutely killed in the question paper.